Period 9 is no longer about knowledge, and Period 9 is no longer about information. In Period 9, most importantly is your results in life. And most people only want to see results because there are too many scams and fake guru and fake things around in Period 9. So Chiman Intelligence focus on the ancient wisdom meets modern clarity. And this is why in Chiman Intelligence, over the last 5 years, been working and helped thousands of students to really create results for them, because it is a framework where we actually tap into the ancient timing and alignment to the modern success of what we truly need in modern time, which is to get a better job, increase in promotion, to attract the business that you need, the relationship and the health that you want. So in here, Chiman Intelligence is the modern tool to achieve your success.